Phase RF operation. Start from chin, move the probe in 3 lines to lift to the treatment area, tracing from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to temple 3 times. Coupled with hand, repeat the same technique to lift to the treatment area 3 times. IRF operation, combined with hand, lift from lower eyelid to the temple 3 to 5 times. Lift from the beginning of the eyebrow till the end of the eyebrow 3 to 5 times. Combined with hand, lift from the corner of the eye till hairline 3 to 5 times. Repeat the same techniques on the other side. Lift towards hairline on forehead 3 times. Combined with hand, lift towards hairline on forehead 3 times. Wash face clean. Polymer atomizing pen operation. Pour a hydrating essence into the hydro bottle with the proportion of 2 part essence and 1 part distilled water. Start from chin to earlobe, then from mouth corner to ear gate. Move in parallel lines, meanwhile brace the skin with the free hand to gently massage for better absorption 2 times. Move vertically towards hairline and forehead, meanwhile brace the skin with the free hand to gently massage for better absorption 2 times. Use the back side of the scrubber to lead in nutrition, tracing from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to temple to lift to the treatment area 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Lift towards hairline and forehead 3 to 5 times. Apply hydrating or whitening serum evenly all over the treatment area. Face ultrasound operation. Move the probe horizontally in circles from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to temple 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move the probe horizontally in circles on forehead 3 times. Apply facial mask and treat together with LED phantom mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and move the coat hammer probe in circles. Start from chin, covering the entire face. Treat for 5 to 8 minutes. Wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.